Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Sabal 20 UAV to the in the high altitude trials. Last month, Noida-based Endure Air Systems conducted a demanding month-long series of high altitude tests for our Sabal 20 UAV team led by Mohit Kaushik, a UAV test pilot and systems engineer, ventured to Karu Le and Shangla to push the Sabal 20 to its limit. The test subjected the Sabal 20 to a rigorous gauntlet of conditions, from extreme temperature fluctuations and verifying air speeds to significant air density changes and diverse load capabilities. We gathered a wealth of data that will be crucial for further product refinement. Next, Swift TD paves the way for future stealthy giants. India's DRDO has taken a significant step towards developing a next generation unmanned combat aerial vehicles with the successful testing of the Swift TD, that is Stealth Wing Flying Testbed Demonstrator. This 1-ton flying wing demonstrator serves as a critical test bed for validating the design principle of a much larger 13-ton UCAV currently under development. This future UCAV, envisioned as a potent stealthy strike aircraft, represents a major leap forward in India's unmanned aerial combat capabilities. Next, IAFI's Mirage 2000 for potential spare parts trainer boost. The Indian Air Force is mulling an offer from Greece to acquire 18 Mirage 2005 fighter jets. While the operational life of these jets might be limited, they could serve as a valuable source of spare parts of the IAF's existing Mirage 2000 fleet. Next, when US offered this jet to stall India's LCA program. In the 1980s, the concept of Make in India was far from the political and economic mantra it has become today. However, there were significant moves that can be seen as precursors to these modern initiatives. One such notable instance was Northrop Grumman offer to move the entire manufacturing facility for their F-20 fighter jet to India. This period coincided with India's nascent light combat aircraft program, making the story of Northrop Grumman offer a fascinating chapter in India's defense history. Next, Indian company among first to access ultra-high resolution satellite imagery from US. A Gurugram-based company is making waves by becoming one of the first clients for a revolutionary new satellite imaging service. This service, offered by Albedo, a US-based startup, promises to deliver an unprecedented level of detail, images as sharp as those previously only available to American defense and intelligence agencies. The key to this breakthrough lies in Clarity, Albedo's satellite. Unlike traditional satellites, Clarity will operate in a very low Earth orbit, significantly closer to Earth than usual. Next, Australia eager to be part of India's space journey. India is a top-tier strategic partner, and Australia is now eager to be part of the fast-developing South Asian nation's space journey. Australian High Commissioner to India Philip Green, OAM, said on Wednesday, Space Machines, an Australian firm, entered into a $18 million pact with New Space India Limited, the commercial arm of the Indian Space Research Organisation. This partnership will involve deploying a satellite inspection and observation payload aboard ISRO's small satellite launch vehicle in 2020. Thank you.